Hello, little bird. Hello. Hello. Hi, sweetie. You're so cute. Is that your home up there? It's so cute. It's like looking at me and oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Hey, where'd you come from? I don't know if you guys can see very well because I had to zoom in, but isn't that just precious? Isn't that just precious? Hello? Hey, where'd you go? There was a bird in the nest, but I guess it went home or something. And there's this sparrow right there. Hi! How are you? Alright, I don't think the other one is gonna come out again. So, yes, hello! Oh, there he is! Hello! Hello? Alright. Alright, I gotta go, so... Oh! Alright. Well... Oh! Hey, you took us home! Alright. Looks like being home at the Pierce College gym is really for the birds.